Welcome to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language. We're happy to be here today with you to talk about Ojibwe language and culture too. But my dreams, they aren't as empty as my conscience seems to be. And I had hours only lonely. My love is vengeance that's never free. Welcome to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Hey BOOZHOO, welcome back to the show. Welcome to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today, I was thinking, you know what? We should read Dog and My IINGAN.
Oh, it's a good idea.
So today, we're gonna read this book. If I can grab it. Dog and My IINGAN by Lyons. And it's an Ojibwe language book. Why don't you come over here, sweetie? We'll read this together.
Okay.
Do you want to read the English or the Ojibwe?
Oh, I'll read the English.
Okay. Dog and My IINGAN by Lyons.
Hello.
BOOZHOO.
One dog.
Bejig Anamosh.
One wolf.
Bejig Ma IINGAN.
Two.
Nij.
Two eagles.
Nij Migazi Wug.
Three.
This way.
Three bears.
This way. Muck Wug.
Four.
He win.
Four raccoons.
He win. AC Banag.
Nanan.
5.
Oh, I just did the Ojibwe part.
Yeah, that's okay.
5 deer.
Nanan Wawa Shigeshi Wug.
6.
In God Waswi.
6 crows.
In God Waswi. Ande Wug.
7.
Nij Waswi.
7 rabbits.
Nij Waswi. Wabuzug.
8.
Ish Waswi.
8 squirrels.
Ish Waswi. Misa Jidamu.
9.
Jangaswe.
9 birds.
Jangaswe. Beneshiyag.
10.
Daswe.
10 butterflies.
Daswe. A Mangwag.
Miigwech.
Thank you. Hey. All right. Well, that was pretty good, sweetie.
Oh yeah, that was fun. Dog and My IINGAN by Lyons.
Oh, well, there you have it. Dog and My IINGAN. And this book is available on Amazon.com. And it's like $9 or $10 or $11 or I don't know. But hey, I hope you enjoyed it. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. I will see you again. Igawa bamin, minawa, owa.